Let me start with a simple question. Is marketing the same as advertising? Most people say yes, but that answer is wrong. Advertising is just one tiny part of marketing. Imagine you are extremely thirsty. You walk into a store and see a cold bottle of water at the right price, with a clean, attractive label, easy to grab, available exactly when you need it. Now ask yourself, who decided the bottle size? Who decided the price? Who chose the store? Who designed the label? Who ensured it was cold? That is marketing. Marketing is not about selling products. Marketing is about understanding people. Marketing is the process of identifying, creating, communicating, delivering, and capturing value to satisfy customer needs profitably. In simple words, marketing is about giving the right solution to the right customer at the right time, at the right place, and at the right price. Let's clear some confusion. Marketing is not only advertising. Marketing is not manipulation. Marketing is not forcing people to buy. If customers buy once and never return, that is selling, not marketing. At the heart of marketing is one idea: value exchange. Customers give money, time, and trust. Companies give value, satisfaction, and solutions. If customers feel the value is greater than the cost, marketing succeeds. Marketing answers 5 critical questions. Who is my customer? What problem do they have? How can I solve it better than others? How do I deliver this value? How do I build a long-term relationship? Marketing starts before production and continues after the sale. Think of marketing like dating, not marriage proposals. You first understand the person, you listen, you create attraction, you build trust. You don't force commitment on day one. Marketing works the same way. Today, marketing is also about customer experience, data and analytics, digital platforms, personalization, long-term brand building. In today's world, companies don't compete on products anymore. They compete on customer experience. So remember this, marketing is not about what companies want to sell. Marketing is about what customers want to buy. If you understand customers better than your competitors, you win.